flames. Iron mouths repeat the names. Every chord a glowing brand, stamped across the nothing land. Mace ignites the engine core. Hi-hats hiss like opening ore. Noah's fear begins to shine. Beat by beat we draw the line. Four-star crusade, strike the void. Drums and engines fully deployed. Hard reactors burn in time. Hammer on the fault line spine. Four-star crusade, heat the dark. Guitars fall like showered sparks. Faith in overload unchained. We recast the astral vein. Deckside nights in sable mail, stomp and sink, a thunder trail. Every downstroke, every roar turns the dust to foundry floor. Icon shields in ember light, throw long crosses through the night. Boots on iron, slow and sure, mark the shape that will endure. Binary bells in the ship's deep throat, ring in time with every note. Kyrie, the engines cry. Beat by beat we will not die. Zero one beads on a glowing chain, counting every word we strain. Holy fire whispers the drive, turn the sword to staying alive. Riffs like hammers smash the gloom, side chain simps in furnace bloom. Choirs rising, stacked and torn, crown the birth of something born. Strike, fist to chest, burn, give no rest. Vow, never fade. One crusade, one forge remade. Four-star crusade, strike the void. Drums and engines fully deployed. Hard reactors burn in time. Hammer on the fault line spine. Four-star crusade, heat the dark. Guitars fall like showered sparks. Faith in overload unchained. We recast the astral vein. When the last chord leaves the hull and the molten night grows dull, only armor, oath and sound keep the forged star burning round.